Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day everyone. I'm Sajida binti Hashim. Today I will be talking about a field that I found interesting, which is biomechanics. What is biomechanics? Biomechanics are study of how the system and structures of biological organisms, from the smallest to the largest, react to various forces and external stimuli. In humans, biomechanics often refers to the study of how the skeletal and muscular system work under different conditions. Generally, scientists often try to apply physics and mathematically based forms to analysis and to discover of limit and capabilities of biological system. In biomechanics field, there are many more subfields such as biofluid mechanics, computational mechanics, plant biomechanics, sports biomechanics, vascular biomechanics, and many more. In many other fields, why do I find biomechanics is interesting? For me, it is interesting because biomechanics can be used to design a product that we can use daily, such as clothing, shoes, and sports equipment. For further understanding, here are some explanations on how biomechanics field helps in our life. For example, in sports, biomechanics used to develop properly functioning sports equipment that will improve performance, analyzing individuals' movement to make improvements and boost results, treating injuries, and informing training protocols. Knowing how the body moves and why it moves the way it does, help experts prevent and treat injuries, reduce pain, and improve performance. Orthotics treatment is another example of biomechanics application. Orthotics reposition the foot structure to achieve optimum skeletal balance. It reduces the stress on the joints that causing discomfort by controlling joint movement and altering some angles to prevent excessive motion. The next application is exoskeleton. Exoskeleton are wearable structures that support and assist movement or augment the capabilities of the human body. It is most common used for rehabilitation, military activity, training, aid for people with disabilities, rescue work, transport, and hard work. It can reduce burnout and reduce the risk of injuries and also increase productivity. In conclusion, biomechanics is a powerful field that can help others to live their best life. It is a fun field to learn and experience as it is a big field that can change people's life. It helps humans to discover more and more about making life easier for themselves and everyone. Biomechanics also makes people to think further about the effects and the way to prevent all the accidents that may happen. It can change people's perception towards how important the relation between life and the forces acted towards us. In biomechanics field, I have encountered so many things which I can apply in the future. I cannot be denied that I am still on the way to keep on learning deeply about this field. I also have learned that biomedical engineering is a large field and I found it interesting because the application in this course can help the world to understand how important to know the technology that used to make life better. At this point, the learning of these courses changed my whole understanding on what is biomedical engineering and also what is biomechanics.